It's July, and if you haven't had a chance to get out and fertilize your annuals, it is past time. Hi, I'm Heidi from Garden Crossings, and today I'm going to show you how to fertilize your hanging baskets, your planters, even those annuals that are in the ground. So plants are like people, they need to be fed. We know they need to be watered. I mean, that's kind of a given, but a lot of people miss the step of feeding their annuals. The saying is, feed them and they'll be fabulous. And that's true. We recommend actually feeding your hanging baskets and your containers every week. Pick a day. Is Saturday your day? Get out and feed your plants weekly to keep them looking great all summer long. It's not too late though. If you haven't had a chance to get out and do that yet, now is the perfect time. There's always a perfect time to start. And this is something that you can do throughout the summer to keep them looking great. So let's take a look at the Proven Winners water-soluble plant food. This is what I personally use on the flowers that we grow in our home garden. It's a 24-12-17 mix. I love the Proven Winner plant food because there's just something extra special about the iron that they use. They use a chelated iron, and basically what that means to you is a lot of times fertilizer has iron, but if your plants are bound up, starting to look yellow, and you feel like you're fertilizing them and it's just not working, it's because they can't absorb the iron. The iron that Proven Winners uses in their fertilizer is easily absorbed even by plants that are bound up. So by using this, it's going to have more flowers. It's going to get your greens greener, or in this, in some cases, if they've already started to turn yellow, it's going to yellow. That yellow is going to just green up and get your plants looking fresh again. So let's go ahead and take a look at what Proven Winners has to say about their water-soluble fertilizer. Proven Winners premium water-soluble plant food can be used in pots, containers, hanging baskets, combination plantings, window boxes, or in your garden landscape. It's easy to mix and has excellent results. Mix 1 tablespoon of Proven Winners premium water-soluble fertilizer to 1 gallon of water. Mix it in, stir it in, make sure it's all dissolved before you apply it to your plants. When I'm watering, I like to mix the fertilizer, lift the foliage up, and fertilize the soil. When I'm doing so, I make sure that I'm giving it enough fertilizer that it drips through the bottom of the pot. If I'm giving it the fertilizer and I'm still not seeing it drip through the bottom of the pot, that means I have not given it enough. So be patient and just slowly apply the fertilizer mixture until it fully absorbs in your plant and drips through the bottom of the pot. Once you start seeing it dripping, you know that your plant and your root ball is now fully saturated with the food that it needs to continue to look fabulous all summer long. When you open up your package of the Proven Winners water-soluble fertilizer, you're going to notice you have 2 individual packs in this bucket. And I think this is great because that way it keeps it fresher longer. You only need to open up 1 package, use it, and then you can go into the second one when you're ready to. We'll take a closer look at it so you can see kind of what the powder looks like. It's maybe a little bit different color than what you're used to seeing if you use any other water-soluble type fertilizers. We're going to go ahead and open this up. And I have a vase here with clear water, so I want to show you the color of what this is going to look like when you mix it up. Now this is only about a half gallon in this vase, so I'm going to use only a half a scoop of powder because I don't want to get it too heavy. So we'll just go in there and get about a half a scoop. Let's mix it in the vase. And one thing you'll notice is it's probably a different color than what you were expecting it to be. A lot of water-soluble fertilizers are going to turn bright blue when you mix them. But with a Proven Winner water-soluble fertilizer, you'll notice it's got a darker color to it, almost a grayish tinge. Some of the fertilizer that they had earlier on, so if you've got an older package, it might even have more of a burgundy tinge to it, and that's okay. That's correct. And the reason is because of the iron that they use, it shows up as a different color when you're mixing it in the water. So if this is what your fertilizer looks like, it's good. This is correct. This is what it's going to look like. So we're going to go ahead and dump this into the watering can. I already have a half a gallon in here. That way we'll have 1 gallon of fertilizer that we'll be using on our baskets. So I'm just going to dump it in here like so. And there was some I already pre-mixed, so I'm just going to mix it. That way it's got a good mixture going on. Make sure all the powder is dissolved well. Now we're going to go ahead and take it over to a hanging basket. I'm going to water that hanging basket and show you what I want you to make for sure that your basket does when you are watering. So I'm in the garden center right now, and these hanging baskets are on drip irrigation, and they were watered last night, so they are still pretty heavy. So it's not gonna take as long as what maybe your baskets that are a little bit more dried out are gonna take with watering. But I just wanna show you for demonstration purposes. I'm gonna water from the top. I'm gonna kind of tuck it under and in. I don't wanna just hose over top of the foliage. I wanna get in there to the soil level to do the watering. And then we're gonna watch as it starts to drip out the bottom. I affectionately say if your plant's not peeing, it's not been fertilized enough. So let's go ahead and show you how this is done. So I'm just gonna get in there, start watering, and I'm just gonna, there we go. This is our fertilizer mixture. So we're gonna watch the bottom of the hanging basket. This is 1 gallon right now. And you can see how it is starting to drip out the bottom. And basically what that tells me now is that this plant is fully saturated. It's got all the fertilizer in the soil and the root ball, and any excess is now leaking out the bottom. Now there is one exception to this, and if your hanging basket is super dry, like really dry, and you go ahead and fertilize with your fertilizer water, and like instantly you see the water drip out the edge, or out the bottom, what could be happening is the water could be finding the path of least resistance, which is going to the top level of the soil, following it along the pot and out the bottom. So if that's happening, your root ball is not getting saturated at all. So if your pot is exceptionally dry, that's where I would do more of a slower water, meaning instead of just, full on letting it go, just kind of really slowly letting it go. That way it can absorb into that root ball, and then any excess will go out the bottom. So gauge your pot. If you've been doing a good job of keeping it watered, you can probably do like as I did for first. But if it's really dry, you're going to slowly want to apply that water so that they're going to be able to absorb that food to keep them looking fabulous all summer long. I am going to put a link below to our water-soluble fertilizer as well as our continuous release. We sell 2 different types of fertilizer. So if you're interested in getting it ordered to be able to feed your plants to keep them looking fabulous, we'll make it easy for you. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them below. Thanks for watching. I'm Heidi from Garden Crossings.